Welcome back to Stacy-Lee Vibes TV. This is your girl Stacy-Lee checking in back in the kitchen. Today we'll be doing something special. We'll be doing oxtail with rice and peas and pasta. So that's oxtail, rice and peas and pasta. So we already have the oxtail here all cleaned up. So we're just going to go ahead and add the seasoning to it. So this is the Goya seasoning. So adding it to it. This is some garlic salt. This is some Italian seasoning. And this is some barbecue, just to give it a little edge. All right, so this is the Grace browning. This is what's going to give the oxtail that brown color. So you gotta be careful when you're adding this to it, not too much to get it too dark. So here we have our onion, our sweet pepper and garlic. We're just adding all the natural seasoning to it. This is the green onion that we're adding to it. And we're just gonna mix everybody in. Okay guys, we already got the oxtail all seasoning, so we're now going to add it to the pressure cooker. Alright, so we're just going to give this about 10 minutes. Alright guys, we already have the peas and the water all seasoned for the rice, so we're now going to add the Grace coconut milk to it. Alright, just give this a little stir. So we're adding a little salt to it for taste.
How do you take off that for? Why do you take off that for?
So we did the bright light.
Oh, you want to bright one?
So we already add the green onion to it, the garlic and the thyme. So we just add the coconut milk. So we're now adding the rice to it. This is the parboiled rice. So the rice is already washed, so we added it to it. So we are going to now prepare the pasta. We already have the macaroni cooked, so we're just going to add the other ingredients to it. So here we have some chopped onions. So this is a chopped onion, so we're just adding some onions to it. This is some bell pepper. This is some green onion, some garlic, and you can add whatever vegetable you want to add to yours. And this is some carrots. All right, so just add all of that to it. So we're just going to add some Goya. Just gonna add some Goya to taste. And this is some garlic salt, just a little, just for taste. Okay, so this is the mayonnaise. We're gonna add it to it. And this is some corn that we're adding to it. So we're adding half of the corn to it. And you just mix it in. Looking all pretty. So you add the amount of meal or the corn or vegetable to it to your soup. And there you have it. So let's taste it to see if it needs anything else. Okay, this is perfect. I could add a little Goya. It's a little bit fresh. Just add a little Goya to it. Okay, that's good. And you mix it in. All right, so this is quick, simple, very easy. You can have this as a meal on its own, or you can have it as a side. We're having it as a side. Okay guys, so we're checking in the rice. So the rice is all dried out, so we're gonna turn this off. And let's be checking in on the oxtail. So this is the color that we want the oxtail to have, not too dark and not too white. So this is all dried out, so we're gonna turn it off. Guys, so this is the end product of the oxtail, the pasta. Guys, this is the end product of the oxtail. So this is the oxtail, the pasta, the rice and peas, and the broccoli and some carrots. So let's dive into it and tell you what it tastes like. So the oxtail is well tender. You can just use the fork and cut it. Taste it. It really tastes good. It is well seasoned. It is very tender. The rice and peas is well seasoned. The pasta really tastes good with the onion and the sweet pepper, the vegetables that is added to it. It gives the pasta a really nice taste. So everything really tastes good, really comes out pretty well. So tell me what you think about this oxtail with rice and peas and pasta. Big up yourself. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Check out.